All right, so the first thing is we've removed the air pressure on this brush, and we have also performed the lockout tag out for our motor. So the first thing we're gonna do is unwire our motor. All right, using 2 3/4-inch wrenches, we're gonna remove our air cylinder here. Now, using a ratchet with a 3/16 Allen, I'm gonna take this collar off. Okay, we got our collar off. All right, now that we got the collar off, we are ready to push this brush off. That's why we have it strapped up to the Genie here. All right, so your coworker is gonna be managing the material lift. We've got tension on this, and now we're just gonna slide the brush assembly off. Now the brush is free.